In this video, I'm going to teach you how to find eSIM on iPhone 11. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to check all of the settings related to your eSIM on your iPhone 11 or any other model, so the process is exactly the same even if you have a different iPhone. All that you have to do to check if you have an eSIM currently active is to go over to the settings and access the cellular category. So it is either going to be cellular or something related to mobile data. Just look for this icon here in green and select it. Inside, you will be able to see all of the eSIMs that you currently have attributed to your iPhone 11. If you have them here, it indicates that eSIM was properly set up and you can manage them. Now, if you don't see anything here, but you see the option to add an eSIM or convert to eSIM, then you can tap this option and you will be guided through the process. Usually, it is going to depend on your carrier to provide you with an eSIM, so if you want to, talk to them directly to be absolutely sure. Another way to see details about your eSIM is to go back inside of the settings, access the general category, and when you go into general, if you scroll down on the About section, so go to General About and then scroll all the way down, you will find the eSIM category where you can double check the network, the carrier, and details about your IMI number and ICC ID. So all that you have to do here is note these down, copy them if you wish, and this indicates that your eSIM was properly set up and working. Like I said before, if you don't have an eSIM but you would like to acquire one, it is usually going to rely or depend on your carrier. So contact them and see if they can give your phone the option to use or convert to an eSIM. And after you acquire one, do it through this menu. They will be listed here after you get it done. Now, before I end this video, something that I want to highlight is that when I was checking the channel metrics the other day about the watch time for subscribers, I noticed that only 16% of you are subscribed. 83% of you are not subscribed to the channel. If you could subscribe, it will help us from the channel give you the most up-to-date and best solutions to your problems, so consider subscribing. I highly count on your support. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.